Try to relax, baby. 'Cause today, I'm going to use my tongue in ways the Lord never intended. Are you ready, cowboy? This may come as a shock to you, but most men are into this kind of thing.
Oh, baby, this is great. Really, it's great. I'm sorry.
It doesn't make him any more heroic than you, baby, okay?
Hey, you know what's crazy, Bailey? Is that I'm supposed to die because a piece of paper says so. Because my so-called number came up.
Well, that's why you're not going.
Yeah, but with him.
Well, he's your brother. He loves you. You know, I'll get over it. Okay? Well, now that...
Families, they like to send always family. I'm already the black sheep.
This is what you're gonna do, okay? You're gonna walk right up to Eric, and you're gonna tell him that you're going to Mexico. You're not gonna join him in this stupid war, no matter what some piece of paper says. Okay? Wow. Are you scared of him?
What?
Are you scared of him?
I'm not scared of him. Maybe a little scared of what he thinks.
That's $1,700.
What's 1,700 hours?
This here's your lodging for the next 2 days.
What, are you gonna put mints on our pillows?
Oh, cool. Thanks for coming in on a motorcycle. He's like Peter Fonda, Easy Rider.
Hey guys, don't
Come that
stare.
fast.
Y'all don't stare at them.
Come on, Bailey.
What do you mean?
I'll give you something long. Wake up, just go.
You, all right?
Huh? I'm going back for you!
Stop it! What does she want?
Why don't you step up? I'm gonna blow your fucking head off. I'm just here to help. Come on now. Come on. Sir, I ain't gonna hurt you. Sir, please. I ain't gonna hurt you.
You fucking motherfucker!
Accident. Which one of you assholes burned his draft card? Come on, get over here. Dean, is it?
I saw Chrissy.
You did.
Police procedure, sir.
Why are you doing this? Got to get...
Kids try art. We wanted to have someone who's just art. Diora comes in the room and you meet her and she simply is Bailey.
I would describe her as feisty, fiery, very sassy.
Have you seen Leatherface? He's fucking scary.
Very much a hippie of her time and kind of a hopeless romantic, but she's got an edge to her. If I were to be put in this situation, what is wrong with you people?
She's really kind of amazing when she...
The screaming has definitely taken a physical toll on me. I just feel bad because I think the audience is just going to get so sick of hearing me scream. They're like, shut her up. That sucks.